Dear ladies, wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. You are the powerhouse. You are the cradle that rocks the society. You are amazing, and yes, you are extraordinary. So what are you waiting for? So go ahead and take the giant leap forward. Happy Women's Day to all the amazing women of BOI Start for You.
I can see a lot of ladies nowadays, lot of women power in the senior positions. Their promotions, they are taking promotions also very fast, and they are able to manage very well compared to our times. And there is a lot of flexibility nowadays, and they have a lot of potential. Women have a lot of potential in them, and my request to or my appeal to all the young ladies is that you should come up as far as you should reach the top position as much as possible. And I wish all the women on this Women's Day, I wish all the women the power to achieve their dreams, break barriers, and become shining stars in every sphere of their life.
Women leaders in Bank of India today are shaping strategies and leading teams with confidence, compassion, and competence. They are not just breaking the barriers, they are building new pathways for the future generations of women in banking. I am proud to be part of this evolving story and deeply grateful for the opportunities I have received here. Together, let us continue to support, mentor, and celebrate women leaders, ensuring that Bank of India remains a shining example of diversity and empowerment. To every woman aspiring to lead, my message is remember, your time is now, and Bank of India is with you every step of the way. Thank you.
Over the last 35 years of my service in the bank, I have been seeing a lot of women employees, and they are highly dedicated, very efficient, but they are only limited to their sphere of work or to their desk. They do not want to know something beyond that or something more about the bank or about the latest updates in the outside the bank also. And more important, they are not ready to take up any leadership role. It is that step or the decision which we have to take, and we should go up higher in the ladder, take more leadership roles. As we see all over the world, women are outshining men, and they are known for their time management as well as multitasking abilities. They are more efficient. Take up challenging roles in the bank and try to do our best with whatever role or assignment given to us. And I wish all of you a happy International Women's Day.
As we celebrate International Women's Day, remember that we hold the power to create real change. Women's Day serves as a reminder to recognize the invaluable contributions women make to society every single day. In the banking sector, we are not just professionals. We are enablers of financial independence and catalysts for economic empowerment. This Women's Day, let's make an impact by encouraging financial literacy among women in our communities, supporting women entrepreneurs with guidance and opportunities, leading with confidence and mentoring the next generation of women in banking. Our role extends beyond transactions. We shape futures. Let us use our position to uplift, empower and inspire. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day.
You are in one of the best institutions to work with. You are really very talented. You have come to this institution, and there is a beautiful path set out for you. Of course, the path is not full of roses, but the path is laid out. So please go for it. Go for it. You are there, you can, and you will. All the best to all of you.
International Women's Day. Today we celebrate the strength, resilience and achievements of women everywhere. Your contributions towards families, communities, industries, they shape our future, driving progress and inspiring changes. Let's continue to support, uplift and empower each other to build a more inclusive and better and equal world. Wishing all the incredible women a day filled with recognition, respect and joy. Happy Women's Day!